In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove your header and footer from a specific page on your Squarespace website. Hiding the header and footer is a great idea if you don't want people clicking around and leaving a specific page, like a sales page, lead capture pages, or coming soon pages. So let's say we want to hide our menu from this coming soon page. For a coming soon page, we obviously don't want people clicking around if it's under construction, so it makes sense to hide our header and footer. To do that, we simply need to go under our gear icon here to get to the page settings. And under navigation, we have option to adjust visibility, so either to show and to hide the header and the footer of your website. So let's save it right now. And you can see the header and the footer have disappeared. And if we go back to the settings, we can enable them again when needed. Now it's also important to mention that collection pages don't have this feature, so your blog or your store. And if you want to remove the navigation there, you will have to use custom code. I hope this was helpful and that you learned something new. And if you want to dive deeper into Squarespace, I have a bunch of tutorials on my page.